Zoho is a cloud-based CRM that empowers all large to small-sized businesses with a customer relationship lifecycle management solution for customer support and service, marketing, wide sales, and inventory management in a single organization. It is featuring Salesforce automation, performance, and process management, customization, and analytics, marketing automation, team collaboration, and developer platform. Why choose Zoho CRM? It gives essential tools like leads, document, and mobile apps, and suitable for home business. It is a web-based software also supported in Android, iOS and WebAssembly. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.